Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming core requirements. Your laptop and Google Home must share the same Wi-Fi and the same Google account. Open Chrome on the laptop and sign in. On your phone, open the Google Home app to verify device visibility. Once done, power cycle the home device if it's new so it broadcasts setup mode. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for initial discovery, and that you note the exact network name and password to use during the next steps. Now you'll connect. In Chrome, click the three dots, choose Cast, and watch for your Google Home to appear. Select the device and then pick your source. Cast a specific tab for audio, a desktop for system sound and visuals, or a file for local media. Once connected, Chrome routes audio to the home device and shows a blue casting icon. This confirms traffic flow. Make sure volume is up on both laptop and home, and change tab focus if audio doesn't play immediately. To finish, stop casting from Chrome or the Home app and confirm the device returns to local playback. If you encounter issues, restart the router, laptop, and Google Home. Simple reboots often clear discovery problems. Make sure your router doesn't enable guest isolation or client isolation, and disable VPNs or strict firewalls on the laptop that block MDNS/UPnP. If audio is choppy, reduce Wi-Fi congestion or move devices closer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.